Hello everyone, welcome back to my, Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia, and today we are having, drum roll please, or wait, what's the dun dun dun? My husband, Cameron. He's been pushed over there like that for an hour at this point. No, I'm just kidding. So my husband is going to be picking out my May TBR off of my TBR cart that I put together in the last video.
All by yourself.
All by myself.
She asked me for help for 3 days.
Yeah, and then I was like, finally, I'll just do it myself. I'll do it. What's that meme? Fine, I'll do it myself. And then I got it done. Go me. But we have so many books on that TBR cart, and he's gonna pick out 5 books for my May TBR because I do usually tend to read at least 5 books a month. I'm really hoping, hint hint, that he does not pick out too many thrillers or like horror books this month because we had a lot of darker thriller reads in April, and I'm really feeling that romance vibe. So just a little
subtle hint.
I'm feeling a romance vibe for me, so hopefully that'll be the case. But without further ado, let's go ahead and let my husband control what I read for the entire month of May. I'm already regretting this.
Hello. I guess we need to pick any 5 books, and there's a whole lot. Something about these books, it's this cutesy little cover. It's always smut. Nasty things happen in there that the good Lord does not approve of. Done and Dusted by Lila Sage. Let's see. She's off limits, but he's never been good at following the rules. A sweet, slow burn, sunshine in written form. No, they're doing stuff to each other's bungholes. This one has a cool looking cover. I think that one's a winner. Sure. Kill a Kingdom. A princess must have her prince. That one, I have a heart for every year I've been alive. Is she an octopus? The Sea Queen transforms. Is she an octopus? What? That one's confusing. I'm gonna say no. Okay, well apparently that one's just not going back in there. 2 can keep a secret, ... if 1 is dead. No. Ice Planet Barbarians. Oh. I think Alicia has been actively avoiding this book for like months, like a very, very long time. I feel like I remember her telling me something about this. That's definitely going in the pile up there. What in the hell is this even about? A Vectal, an alien from another planet. Something, big blue horned alien introduces himself in a rather startling way. Oh, this sounds terrible. Yep, that's going in the pile. These Hollow Vows. A heart is a dangerous thing to steal. Lame. How the hell do you get these back in here? Okay. Oh, I don't know how to do that. To the no pile. Hidden Pictures, a Noveg, because it has a stupid font on the front. 1 step behind. How far will she go to take back control of her life? Let's see. Praise. But it says author of The Perfect Son, and on the back of it, praise for The Perfect Son. I don't want praise for another book. I want praise for this book. Is this worth reading? Something about Jenna. She's a mother, a doctor. 14 Ways to Die. 1 killer, 13 victims, 1 million views. You have to murder at least 3 people to be called a serial killer. The Magpie Man is looking for his 14th victim. Woo. These are all smut. I know it. Love and Other Conspiracies. They want to believe, and there's like Sasquatch in the background. A Brush with Love. Why is it it's like toothpaste? A Dentist Romance. Dan doesn't have the passion for teeth, Harper does. Finds himself falling for her. Yeah, that's atrocious. Nope. Funny Demon Valentine. I think I bought Alicia this book. It has the cool edges. What's it even about? He's in music, he's cursed, he's a monster, something. The path to love can be complete hell. All right, 50-50, unless we find something funny. I'm Glad My Mom Died by Jeanette McCurdy. Alicia really, really wanted this one. I think she made me go to the store to get it, and apparently she's never even touched it. Might be a good challenge for Alicia. I know she hates nonfiction. Lessons in Chemistry by Bonnie Garmis. Okay, so she's a girl boss, but he's like not like the other boys. Science life is unpredictable. God, that just sounds terrible. What is this one? House, the only way out is in. Man, oh, it has a CD in the back? Wow, what the hell? That's bizarre. What even is that? Look at that. Lapidary by Taylor Jean Grossberg. Sort of a cool cover. Clepsydra Society? How the hell do you say that? You're so dead. They're dying for followers. They go to an island or something. Plum, Sophia, and Marlowe will do whatever it takes to save themselves and as many influencers as they can. Box in the Woods, kind of a cool cover. And I'm guessing the box is somewhere in the woods. Never Keep, the thick book. Fate Doesn't Favor the Wicked. A dark enemies to lovers romantasy series. Oh, because it's romance and fantasy. Romantasy. Got it. Just like reading this much words just to read about people doodling each other's diddles. Okay, what is this one? The 7.5 Deaths of Evelyn Hardcastle. The Rules of Blackheath. Evelyn Hardcastle will be murdered at 11 p.m. There are 8 days and 8 witnesses for you to inhabit. We will only let you escape once you tell us the name of the killer. So, isn't that like the plot of The Butterfly Effect in a different font? I'm kind of leaning towards this one. This sounds at least more interesting than the rest. The rest are just like elf titties and something. And that's just too many words. I'm gonna say that's a good one. That seems interesting. That'll be a challenge. This one I know she's actively been avoiding. This one looks really cool. You know what? She's read enough of those books. There's literally a giant pile of them behind me. All right, 1, 2, 3. This one it is. All right. Done!
Lip gloss, please. Gloss me. Wait. Oh, can you gloss me? Okay, hold on. 1 sec, babe.
Anyways, all right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Your May TBR. Book number 1. The 7.5 Deaths of Evelyn Hardcastle.
To be honest, I have had this on my TBR for a really long time because I definitely thought this was just a different version of the cover of the 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. It's a different book.
It sounded interesting.
So some kind of mystery.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so far.
I'm Glad My Mom Died by Jeanette McCurdy.
I have been putting
specifically
this off
because it's nonfiction.
I know, and that's why I've been putting it off.
But I think, didn't you make me go to the store to buy that?
I literally
never
did.
touched it.
I made him go to the store and, well, with me. We went to the bookstore together, and because I was like, I have to have this book. Still have not read it, so.
Next up, Jawbone by Monica Ojeda, maybe? I say that? Don't know. It looks cool.
This is interesting that you picked
Purely
this.
picked it off the
This
cover.
is a newer one that I just got, and it's because a booktuber I watch, Wicked Reading, Sarah on Wicked Reading, she recommended this, and I was like, I'm new to the horror genre, like, let me check this out. So she really liked this book, and so I thought I might. I kind of want to go into this book not knowing much because it's always more fun to go into a horror book not knowing what's going on.
All right, next. I'm saving the best for last.
Oh, this is the last one?
No, 2 more.
Oh.
My Funny Demon Valentine. I picked one romance.
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure I picked that one out for you because it looked cool.
We went to the bookstore the other day and actually got this.
Yeah.
So, because he said I could get one book, and this ended up being the book. So I'm really excited for this one. It's just a romance. Thank you.
And you're going to love the last one.
This is the one I'm most excited for so far.
I believe the one you have avoided for reading the longest.
Okay.
Ice Planet Barbarians by Ruby Dixon.
No! God! No!
Really
I think it's just
hysterically
one of
bad.
those books that I'm just like,
I can't tell if it's
afraid.
like young adult or what. It's weird.
No, it's not young adult. It is very mature.
Well, that's what I'm reading the back. I was like, okay, so it's just 400 pages of them waiting to doodle each other.
I think I need to just get into it because I have heard really good things from people. Like, people say these are just like a guilty pleasure. So, oh God.
It's soccer mom smut.
Subscribe if you want to see me read this in a reading vlog because now I have to. Thanks, Cameron. The book fell. If it would have like ripped, I would have been like, oh, can't read it.
Oh my God, it fell directly into the shredder. Yeah. Oh no.
I've had that book for at least 2 years.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it's been a long time.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna rate these from most excited, actually from least excited to most excited really quickly. Least excited only because I
bought the wrong
forgot
book.
so I don't even really understand what that book's about. The Ice Barbarians, then the Jeanette McCurdy only because it's nonfiction, and then Jawbone, and then this one. Because I would say these three, these three I am excited to read. Like, I think these three I'm really gonna like. Those two, blah. So this is my May TBR, thanks to my husband, Cameron. Thank you. You picked some good ones. Okay? But
I was really trying to find a good mix of like.
Which one are you most
bad and
excited for
funny.
me to read out of these?
I don't know. I think this is just gonna be funny because it's you're either gonna be fine with it or it's gonna be just like a nightmare for you to get through because you're like, I hate this and I don't care.
Yeah, so we'll see. Because I'm just a person where if it's I can't read just straight up spice because I feel nothing then. Like, I have to feel the romance. I have to feel the tension, the connection between the actual like two people. So
I can see why most of this was left on your cart though. There's quite a bit of garbage there.
Yeah, that's why I need a whole new TBR cart.
So I could buy you more books to not read.
Hashtag sponsored by my husband.
This video was made possible by my husband.
But anyways, I am very excited to read some of these books. Not very excited to read some of the other books. So overall, this is a pretty good May TBR. So yes, if you want to see me read or my reactions to any of these books, I will be posting reading vlogs throughout the month of May, reading these. So stay tuned, subscribe, give this video a like. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here with me today and my husband. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.